Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the gear. Charge the BlackShark V2 Pro for at least 30 minutes so battery calibration begins. Once charged, plug the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle into a stable USB port. Use a USB-C adapter if needed. Now power on the headset by holding the power button for 3 seconds until the LED blinks. You want a blinking LED because that indicates pairing mode. This step gets the headset and dongle ready to link immediately, minimizing interference from other devices. Once the dongle flashes, it should auto-pair with the headset within a few seconds. You'll hear a confirmation tone if pairing succeeds. If not, hold the dongle's reset or repair button for 2 seconds while the headset is in pairing mode. Next, make sure you install Razer Synapse. This updates firmware, enables mic options, and exposes EQ settings. After Synapse installs, open Sound Settings and set Razer BlackShark V2 Pro as both playback and recording default, so system audio routes. You finish by testing audio in a game and recording a short voice clip to confirm the mic level and clarity. Make incremental adjustments in Synapse for mic gain and EQ until voice sounds natural. Then tweak side tone so you hear yourself without echo. If audio or pairing fails, first reset the dongle and try a different USB port, then restart your computer and repair the headset. If problems persist, update Synapse firmware or perform a factory reset on the headset to clear stubborn Bluetooth or wireless cache.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.